love to draw and play. I love to paint, I love to sketch and color every day. I love to be creative, imagine and pretend. When I play and draw with Sauerpuss and Friends, let's all get together, use our creative minds and our imagination to squiggle and design. Let's all be creative, imagine and pretend. When we play and draw with Sauerpuss and Friends. Woo-hoo!